Introducing the Viovian Glass Coffee Nuts Canister, a high-quality storage container that combines functionality with style. Made from premium borosilicate glass, this jar is crafted with meticulous attention to detail to ensure its durability and reliability. The lid is constructed from high-quality wood, offering excellent sealing performance that keeps your food materials fresh and free from moisture. The lid also features a metal lace hand-pull ring decoration, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. This versatile jar has a wide range of applications. It is perfect for storing coarse grains, coffee beans, tea, small biscuits, and even chocolate snacks. With a capacity of 750 milliliters or 250 grams of coffee beans, it can also hold approximately 500 grams of coarse grains. The sealed design effectively prevents moisture from entering, preserving the freshness of your food for longer periods. Not only is this glass jar practical, but it also boasts a fashionable and unique design. It comes in a compact size, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The jar features an eye-catching pattern design on the inside, adding a touch of beauty to your kitchen. It serves not only as a functional storage solution but also as a stunning kitchen decoration. To enhance your convenience, we have included a golden 304 stainless steel spoon with a length of 4 inches. This spoon is perfect for extracting food from the jar effortlessly. The product size is 11.5 centimeters by 11 centimeters by 8.5 centimeters, and it weighs only 260 grams, making it easy to pick up and transport. Each set includes one glass jar and one gold spoon. At Viovian, we value customer satisfaction and strive to provide exceptional service. If you encounter any defects or damage upon receiving the product, please reach out to us immediately. We are committed to resolving any issues within 8 hours of receiving your email. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and its compatibility with international outlets and voltage may vary. We recommend checking compatibility before making a purchase. Product information. Product type: Viovian Glass Coffee Nuts Canister 750 milliliters, 25 Florida Oz. Glass jars with bamboo lids. Glass candy jars with lids. Petal decorative airtight storage container for nuts, coffee beans, cookies. Oval. Product dimensions: 4.33 by 0.01 by 4.53 inches. Item weight: 9.2 ounces. Manufacturer: Viovian. ASIN: B09QKYH1J1. Item model number: Oval. Customer reviews: 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 251 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 33,802 in kitchen and dining, number 286 in food jars and canisters. Date first available: January 17, 2022. Capacity: 750 milliliters. Volume: 25.36 fluid ounces. Item weight: 0.57 pounds. Units: 1.0 count. Number of sets: 1.